Victoria?
I have not. I can.
Please, so that she knows as well. He's been here for a long time. Dijon, you want to talk to me while we're waiting? Come on.
Mr. Rivas.
Okay. Mr. Rivas coming up?
How you doing today, Judge?
What's new, man?
Nothing much.
Friday Eve.
Exactly. Yes, sir. No, sir. To the judge. Yes, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Rivas.
Good morning.
Sir, you're charged with interference with the duties of a public servant. You're also charged with possession of marijuana ×2, right?
Yes, that's correct, Judge.
So I guess both of the weed cases are being dismissed in exchange for this.
Yes.
You need to understand, Mr. Rivas, that this case is going to go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. From now on, you are facing a minimum of 30 days in jail for any new cases that you pick up. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You give up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, like I said, it's going on your record. It'll be there forever. This is what you want to do.
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to the offense? I'm going to find you guilty. I'll send you to it. I'll run your court costs so you won't owe anything. Good luck to you, sir.
Thanks, Judge. Have a good day. Step over here.
Yes, Judge. And he's going to come in and sign the conditions tomorrow. I just wanted to talk to you about it beforehand so I could tell him what they're going to be.
Oh, okay. What's your costume?
It is.
So you're just not going to be here tomorrow?
Yes, sir. I'm going to
Just
be.
do PC tomorrow.
I'm going to be in Galveston, and yeah, we'll waive
You know
PC.
that you can always Zoom.
I know, but it's always hard to do that.
Okay, not a problem. What's your costume?
255-5734.
On Garcia.
Yes, sir.
Got it.
And it's a .1213 breath test. He hit a police car that was blocking an accident scene as he pulled up. It wasn't, no one was in the car. It was blocking the scene. That's the situation.
You want to read it real quick? Oh, we're still going to do it tomorrow.
Oh, we're still doing it tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yeah, we're just kind of like informal PC.
Thank you.
No, never.
I have to
Yeah.
keep you until, one affidavit, but
I can come after this.
yeah, no problem. When
Okay.
you're ready.
Yeah, I'll be right there. Okay. You ready?
Oh, which one?
Uh,
Oh, yes.
yeah, go for it.
All right, got it.
So on March 15th, 2025, an officer was working a crash scene in Pasadena, Harris County, Texas. At approximately 1:15 a.m., the officer heard tires squeal and a vehicle collision a short distance away. The officer observed a vehicle had collided with a fully marked police vehicle with emergency lights activated. The officer observed the defendant to be the driver and sole occupant, and he appeared confused and had glossy eyes. The defendant exited the vehicle and the officer observed red glossy eyes, slurred speech, uncoordinated and lethargic movement, and the odor of alcohol emitting from the defendant's person. The defendant admitted to drinking 2 beers. SFSTs were conducted 6 out of 6 on the HDN, 3 out of 8 on the walk and turn, 2 out of 4 on the one-leg stand. The DIC was read and the defendant consented to the breath specimen, results .134 and .123.
Any priority to be honest?
No, Judge. Well, sorry.
There's someone else's criminal history. There's no DWIs on it, but there's someone else, clearly someone else's criminal history attached to his out of California.
So that's incorrect. That's not his criminal history. is what
No,
you're
there's
saying?
no way it can,
Okay.
there's like, I can show it to you. It's about every other crime other than DWI is listed from 2017 all the way to now. He's never lived in California. His name is Cesar Garcia.
Yeah, there's got to be a quintillion Cesar Garcias. But does it match up with the FBI number? I mean, because they always have an FBI number, you know?
I can show you the history if you want to see it, Judge, so you can see it's literally, like, he wouldn't be here. There's ag robberies, ag assaults, robberies, all of
I don't know. Do you see any prior DWIs?
No prior DWIs on the California history.
So, I mean, I guess do this, if there's no prior DWIs, I'm not going to put an interlock on it, right? I'm going to order them, no drugs, no alcohol,
Yes, sir.
randoms, that's it. But look to see if it's him or not.
Right, absolutely. I've seen this happen before.
And of course we have to.
Yeah, so
It happens.
we'll look into it.
So yeah,
Because of his age, it just didn't add up.
oh, is he young?
He's 26 and his history goes back to 27.
I've seen people here 19 with laundry. So yeah, you're good. So just pick a date and then we'll do PC again with him. Just no drugs, no alcohol, and randoms. That's it.
Thank you, Judge.
For sure. Did you need something, counsel? Oh, he's coming. We're waiting for him to come back.
Yeah, for the result.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna
Thank you.
go to, eight.
We're good. No, we're ready for a plea. Oh, you're doing a plea? Yeah, sorry about that.
Could have got him before he left.
Yeah, I didn't, I thought it was clear, sorry.
No,
No, I thought you said when she's ready to go, I thought you got to go down.
Yeah, no. You ready for her to come out?
James. Yeah. Proctor, is he here?
No,
Okay.
I gotta talk to the judge.
Yeah, we have to talk to the judge about it.
The one eye, recluse, I know that.
I actually enjoyed that.
Okay. First, you can only do this. First one, people sleeping in another car. Figure I fall out.
Anyway, they offered something on the DWI and then.
Yeah.
Harrison, right?
Oh, no.
We're working on it. Thanks. I think I'm busy. It's like I got so much to do.
Yeah.
Oh, but I've got, my office will be closing down early today for March Madness. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna maybe see if I can.
Well,
We can agree on anything.
so you're late somewhere now? I got them on a couple of my waiters, yeah.
I have Michigan State.
Great.
I'm also.
I've got them going far. I don't. That's your team, other than, as opposed to the Wolverines.
Well, I went to undergrad so.
Yeah, yeah, you're not, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. I think I was playing each other.
Before they.
Yeah, they filed them all.
I know. So I always. And now she's down here in Midtown, it's a big UT area.
So.
Yes.
Really? I am everything at was like that.
Yeah.
You know, I did the class learning.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Jeez.
It's also
That's.
it's making sense now. Yeah. I went to a deal of like the Leo thing, they used to, and so to say that it's the most holy you can do.
It's on the way. She was.
Yeah. Bring out.
Oh, you are? You got me? You got me?
I got you yesterday, you didn't wrong today.
I was like, well, did you? And I turn around, are you good? I said, yeah, I was one. So now I'm like, because some of them come back, they have a plea.
I'm not sure.
It's doing a plea right there,
And then, to be honest.
but I'm just getting out of my, I said, it's good to see you, Judge. But then I said, the same, I said, no, I
Yes, yeah, it's a year.
I don't know if you said it.
You know. Just look at this, showing your,
No.
no. Simon, Mr. Yes, or Simon. Death case, weird thing.
Oh, yeah.
Self-scanning.
Simon, yeah?
Yeah, yes, or Simon. Third possible twice. These are cost me. Yes, but should we go to? Wow. Okay, cool. Yeah.
Olivia?
Yes. There's two ways. You gotta wait for it, and also when you bang it, it weighs it in the bag. I don't know if it matches up or not.
That's a good math.
So you would have to hold it as well in the bag. Yeah, when you're scanning, you weigh it. But then it also says that you bang it. Yeah, yes. Really? I was,
It's too big.
I always play with it and put it back in there.
So.
Yeah.
They upcharge the group, you do that thing. And he also told pero tú tienes como
It's great. I think they're about
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they're about.
Then I keep you.
Yeah.
Sí, después de eso.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Last couple of-
Sí.
Yes.
Yeah. Actually, it was 4 days, so I should have to hear it.
I wish.
Yeah. I kind of like,
Really?
yeah.
I've never gotten.
See, I know you're professional, but it's World Cup International. And then I ended up keeping up with the professional because it's gonna be crazy because it's gonna be here.
Yeah.
Should be-
Oh,
I
yeah.
don't know if it's gonna change. For I think this is.
Yeah. It's gonna have to work more.
Probably work. Probably get an international client, probably get a nice little DWISO. Trespass at the stadium. I represent a lawyer. At UT or the Texans Cowboys game.
Okay.
I don't remember. Cowboys game, Keenan's car. And he literally walked around the car 3 times. And he was a lawyer. Yeah, but luckily I got it, what did we paid us for Christmas. Like the day before we came in, we couldn't check. And I used it was a Cowboys scam.
Oh, the prosecutor was a coward?
No, I told the prosecutor, he's the Cowboys fan. That's the Cowboys.
That's
He's like, that DA was he's the defense attorney that did
Yeah.
he was a DA at that time, now he does defense. And he did the sleeping defense, sleepwalking defense, I don't know if you saw it.
Oh, yeah.
That didn't work out. But I was proud of her that she did it, that was a good defense. And the judge, it actually did work, because the judge gave him 15 for murder.
Oh, wow.
So the judge believed him.
Okay.
Yeah. Because I was like, dude, call me for the appeal. It's like, we're not objecting to anything. It's like, still,
Village on it?
you never know.
Yes, it's fun.
But then when they got 15, I was like, don't, you might never get that. And that was basically the judge saying, yeah.
How is May 20th through the.
I thought they made the right call by going to the judge.
Right. They knew.
Okay, May of the grants and then the discovery.
See, so there was a case I had. It was a court case. They call it the closet case.
BCH.
The federal was in the closet.
Can you sit in the audience?
It's just aggravated sexual assault.
Okay.
And we represented one of the Jews, or not, he was a Jew. He said 17 or 18. One of the guys went on trial before, but originally pleaded guilty. And this is one thing too, and the judge let him take his plea back.
What about the written?
I don't know why the judge would do that, but when you have to plead, it's safer, you know, you have to do it through the appellate process. The guy pled guilty and was like, no, I want to trial.
Yeah.
So the judge let him, and the DA let him, that's where I was like, why wouldn't the DA say no? They're not guilty. No, they let him go. So he got trial. He pled to like 28. He went to trial. Guilty. She walked around 15. Yeah. That's what I was like, dude. Look how.
Okay,
Yeah.
yes, I used to, when I was interning here, I used to go to the Star Court.
Cool. Yeah. He's a cool guy. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
we have to register.
I'm glad you got him though, because the thing is, if I don't instruct them for that, their warrant, their warrant staying as it is.
Yeah. Where's the one where 60 or one on the, I'm like, I don't have.
Yeah, that's like the most important part.
And he's still like.
Right.
Right. Yeah. See, that was. Yes. My worst was, they offered sexual assault with a child. They offered probation. They were starting with like 20.
They put it by the.
So at that point, he's like, bro, I think we're gonna win. Like, he's like, why are they getting out? I was like, inside they don't, just the girl was not, or, she was just losing it on the stand, which is not good for her. You got, 99 players from the jury. Yes. For probation, to 99. Because I told him, one of the powerful things that the DA had was during the trial, they're like, oh, he was gone for a couple of years.
Yeah.
You know, it was in his home. Then he came home and, you know, they had a celebration. That's when he got Jack. Guess where he was for 10 years? Prison. That's where it was. We got out 10 days later.
Do you want to do this?
Yeah. Dude, I told him that's flipped it big time. That was in Dallas. Yeah.
One of the reasons I don't more fast is
Right. Well, another thing too, I didn't realize part of the which was something that he was. They don't have to be behind there. Yes. I didn't do anything.
Yes, correct. So.
That's something you can't really, it's a weird rich. That was the same with the clock. He was like not gonna take it. They offered 28, he got it. My bad. But at least we didn't get Yeah. Yeah. No, it was super. No parole. Yeah.
Monday through Friday, each day after yes, all the judges do know you do not. If it says yes, we're gonna report to the higher day office here, which would make us. I know.
I didn't realize.
No, we have thoughts, yeah, miss the drug test, I will walk it, they never call you. So, but it's just. I understand, and then we also do all the flex classes that are live as well. I mean. So that you'd be able to. Basically, maybe it's a joke, because it's just yeah, I'd be like, with those messages, everybody just make sure they're strong. So that they are receiving it. Even if they're not calling to them. So I'm gonna have you sign twice. Yeah. Okay. Maria, are you ready on yours? Yes. Everything. I'll need a bill. Yeah. No, this, I guess at the end of the. Right here, have your next court date of May 20th. You don't need to appear that day though, due to having an attorney. They'll appear on your behalf, but just make sure to stay in contact with them. They'll let you know the next time you get your present. What is there? Oh, wait, let me see the date. It's May 20th.
I'm gonna come tomorrow to see if I can get to.
From tomorrow? Oh, okay, well, I mean, that's something I would discuss with him, I'm not too sure. But that's everything. Why are obviously maybe at home? Computer. They just figure. I mean, I don't. I don't know. There's somewhere is he good to go back there? Yeah, as soon as you finish school. The bill. Instead of we're doing this, your availability. Okay, I never thought to be available, but I'll text him right now. Okay. Ricardo, now we went out to talk to this client. He did say it was with permission, the motion and stuff, Morales. Also, we already filed it.
Simon.
The other attorney, Morales Delson, the other attorney said.
Oh, you didn't
Like to give him one.
too.
You didn't have to give me one. Thank you. Oh, yeah, that was the thing, yeah. I remember that one.
What did you do?
Yeah, I know, but I had to forgive myself.
No.
And not no permission.
I know what you mean.
The complainants.
Oh, that's right.
No problem.
That's right.
In hindsight, I wish we had done probation because
No.
he needs to be supervised.
Right, he just gets out of jail and says, aha.
And he got out early too, which was really disappointing.
Oh, the weather.
Oh, because of the jail.
Santa take
Yeah.
them over.
And.
Oh, I gotta work.
You know, I was about leaving, just by phone.
Prosecutor.
Yeah, buy something.
Yeah, I said, that's free.
Yeah, I forgot.
It's a media. The guy we were talking about, the Rick.
But in the big scheme of things, y'all come along.
Yeah.
So the convictions are more important.
What is your?
When you go up there, then the time. It's real. Except for, in this case, you're right.
Hey, it's a media.
We arrested her, against me, my
Yeah, he made me take some charges.
He said I was sitting on his ass, but what else did he say?
I mean, we asked his defense attorney if he did us to file charges as well.
He was fucking, yes.
Yeah, okay. Who is your client? Sorry.
It's a media.
Oh, yes.
Okay, might just.
Yeah, I told this guy, don't text my, text me,
Oh, it's
just call me. Nope, I'm gonna text you, because you're my area. Yeah.
Okay, so,
It's not your invention, sir.
he was out of the country.
It's on the docket.
He said he'll have the receipts for the vehicle on Monday.
Sorry.
No, that's.
It has the receipts. So they got that insurance.
She said.
All right.
His insurance covered it, or they just haven't talked?
It's got insurance, they.
He's gonna, yeah.
Okay, okay, all right, I'll text him right now and be like, I'll say I talked to defense counsel today, and the car insurance, try and make a claim through him, because I'm not dealing with.
Yeah, exactly right.
Okay.
The only hiccup here is we're set for later trial today.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I mean, he's been communicating, I mean, do you have free official?
I mean, it's a problem.
Yeah.
You know,
Right. Because if I can see the information, we can split up.
You might just bring out, but let's see, in this case.
Okay. I mean, if he was driving.
We'll see you.
But, I mean, he's not an officer though.
Yeah, that's the argument, but he didn't, it's not a benefit, it's keep the law enforcement kind of thing,
I mean, an officer said.
Right. Yeah, no, but it's.
Oh.
Prove to the point of street. It's in there.
I love ancient defenses, I mean, that was,
No, there's case law on it.
No,
I don't have it, but
it's ancient.
I was thinking that too.
Yeah. That's it.
That's where my brain goes.
A private actor can commit illegal search.
Okay, you want to see though, yeah.
The acting on behalf of law enforcement, that's the part where I don't think law enforcement has to tell them, but they do have to do it. Looking for some type of evidence, but also if they commit a crime, I'll do it.
Okay.
You're gonna guess here.
Okay.
Hey, James, who was that? Who was that?
Miss McCoy.
Yeah.
The results are back.
It was named.
On Rivera.
Oh, if they weren't married, it wouldn't be community property.
You get the results back, Felicia?
Yes, they're negative.
You give her.
I am now amending your bond conditions to put an ankle monitor on you, so I know that you're not consuming alcohol at any times. The next time you test positive, and I don't give a rat's behind what it is, I will put you in jail. Do you understand? I don't know what your immigration status is, but if you're not in this country with proper permission and you go there, you will be stuck like Chuck in there until this thing is over. Do you understand? No means no. And from now on, no tolerance. Okay, thanks.
Thank you, Your Honor.
The current device stays. He will now also get an ankle monitor, Felicia. Right. Take a seat for me, sir.
Private citizen acting as one.
Right.
Hey,
There's a
you guys happen to, who's the gentleman sitting,
Sorry?
who's the gentleman back over there?
That's his client.
Yes, that's.
April 5.
Wait till you hear his story. Wait. I don't want
It's
to,
always got great
yeah, I
stuff.
don't want to present it.
Hi, Ricardo.
Hey, Judge.
This is Ms. McCoy.
Hello, sir. How are you?
So, Ms. McCoy, let's talk about something funny.
Okay.
Actually, it's not very funny, but it's actually quite sad. Your lawyer came to me, was it yesterday or was it the day before, asking for a PR bond?
Monday.
Asking me to give you a PR bond. Do you think that was a good idea? To give you a PR bond?
Are we looking at the history?
Hey,
Okay.
you've never, ever once appeared on your own here when we give you a PR bond. Every case that we have with you sits at around 10,004, 10,005, because you never appear. When you come to court, good things happen. Do you understand? If you ever need help, if you need a place to sleep, if you need food to eat, if you need a cell phone or tablet, anything you need, all you have to do is come and ask, and we will bend over backwards to help you in any way that we can. But when you continually fail to appear, you become a flight risk, and we just can't trust you. So he came to me asking for this PR bond. I laughed because I know if I give you one, like little wings on a bird, bye, you just don't come. Next time, if you pick up a case, come and we'll help you with whatever you need. I don't care what it is, anything you want, I'll give you. You want treatment, you want help, anything. You now stand charged with criminal trespass. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You've worked out an agreement where they're offering you 30 days in jail with credit for the 12 days that you've done. You're giving up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement, Ms. McCoy. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. You know, you've spent the better part of the last 4 years in and out of custody for one thing or the other. Before you know it, 20 years will have passed and you will end up in such a bad place. You're going to look like the things on the street that you'd never think that you would be if you continue at the rate that you are. You need a change before you really do some damage that you can't crawl out of. How do you plead to the criminal trespass? Guilty or not guilty? That's all right. You know what we're doing, right?
Do you want me to talk to her for a moment? I don't.
No,
Okay.
I mean, your plea, do you know what we're doing? We're doing a plea for guilty, right? Is this what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, ma'am, I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to follow the agreement. Come back next time. All right, good luck. Thanks. Was it 13 days credit?
12. I didn't know. Mr. Proctor,
Okay,
he's not here.
okay.
He's a bond. He has a surety bond. I called his bond company. I called his dad. I called him. Can we roll it till tomorrow?
Sure.
Okay.
It's FBF tomorrow.
Okay, thank you.
No show tomorrow.
I got you. Thanks.
Carter.
Hey, Judge, may I approach?
Yeah. So you got something interesting?
Oh, we were going over, on this case, we were talking about, if a private citizen, takes somebody's car key and seizes somebody and holds them there till the officers show up, is it, allowable or not? And so,
Well, it would have to be a felony or a breach of the peace, right?
right, it would have to be one of those, because otherwise it could, I was telling them it could be argued it's fruit of the poisonous tree, it's an unlawful seizure. And so if it's a government action, it's.
I thought you were getting more toward a like kidnapping.
Oh,
type.
no, to like say it's an unlawful seizure, like, there's, we were comparing versus, it's not because it's a private actor, but I'm saying, hey, even if it is a private actor, if it effectuates what a cop would be doing, it would fall under the same tenets of, unlawful search and seizure, and so.
Certainly interesting.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get there, though. I don't think we're gonna get there on this one. I don't think we're gonna get there on this one. It's,
Theory's wonderful, you know?
Makes it start fun.
so,
Yeah.
Mr. Lázaro Echemedia.
H, it's old.
Yeah.
What do you want to do?
So we're set to plea or set it for trial today.
Correct.
I see some issues in the case. I've talked to my client. He is interested in possibly doing something different, but he is,
I mean, what other,
we need an immigration consult, well, possibly time served. But the thing is, the holdup is, I need an immigration consult.
that should have been done beforehand. I mean, today we're set plea or trial. This is not. that's-
And the only
should have done
thing
that.
is,
No, we're now 215 days.
the thing is, I was only appointed like a month ago. I saw all these issues over the weekend. And so talking to him, see if he wanted to go to trial, he's like, hey, hold on, let's get an immigration consult, see how it's going to affect me. So
Okay, so I guess I'll give him till Monday.
the only thing with that is, Judge, this consult goes through the MAC. It's Miss Julie Pash. Today is Thursday. She's been getting on me about how backed up she is lately.
It's 215 days old. I mean, it should have happened a long time ago.
Right.
You know, you can't just, it's on him. It's not on you. It's on him.
Yeah, I'll be straight with you, Judge. I don't know why I was only appointed like a month ago. I don't know if he was missing or something.
Correct.
He was
He's been
missing.
AWOL for all that. So it's not, I mean, I'll give you a week, but that's it.
Okay, I'll let her know. I'll let her know, and hopefully she gets it done. Thank you, Judge. All right. Okay, cool. Thank you.
So that is very Texas. Texas, two states.
Pardo, come here. You, ahí. Tu caso ya tiene 215 días. Te voy a dar una semana para hablar con un abogado de inmigración para ver qué va a pasar. No te doy más tiempo. ¿Me entiendes, Méndez? Una semana. All right.
Thank you, Judge. Appreciate it.
Oh, that's all right. We still got some to stay here.
Judge, ready to go over the list?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. All right, page 2, Alfaro, the motion hearing was reset to when?
Okay,
Oh, Lord, here we go.
sorry, I haven't heard back, but let's just set it, and then, you know.
Let's carry it to tomorrow so you can get time to speak to them. You know, it's not a big deal. Just carry it, speak to both.
Set of dates to choose from.
Yeah, so I have the dates from, Jose, I just need to make sure that the officer.
Sure. I mean, yeah, we'll give you, take your time.
Okay.
But just, I want to make sure that everybody's on the same page because
Yeah.
that's it.
They're probably just sleeping right now because they're both night
For sure.
shifts. so-
Not a problem.
Okay.
So we're rolling it?
Yeah, roll it to tomorrow so they can get a good date.
How about Monday?
Thank you, thank you.
You're the best.
How's page 8, Cooper, Central, Raymond, fell to appear first time.
2501.
Next one is page 13, Central, Raymond, fell to appear first time.
You said James?
Yes. Page
2501.
Page 21, I guess no PC found on runs again. Are we expecting a dismissal on that one?
Hey, did you send Runyon to the environmental?
Yeah, sure. I let her know that there was no PC. I haven't heard back from her. I guess we can just set it for that, the last
31st?
Monday. Yeah, and then I'll reach out to her to see what she wants to do. If not.
All right, got it. Next, Judge, is page 25 and 26, Taylor. Fell to appear, Anna said she's had no contact with him.
2501 on both.
Next is page 23, Water. Jill asked if he showed up. I told her no
Okay, so 10,002 on both.
on both.
Yeah.
BO?
Yeah.
Let me know when you're ready for the next.
Did you get my email on White to put on for tomorrow?
Was it a BDR?
Yeah.
If you put the date on there, Ray will put it on your date. It should put on the BDR.
Sorry, it's 10,003 entities failed report.
It's gonna be put on, or they're first.
Okay, who's next?
Next judge is.
Sabata?
That's on Monday, the first.
Sabata?
Yes, however, that one, Judge, I think it was one of those. Non-res that someone added to the docket in error. That's what it looks like, there's no bond posted. So I think we just need to.
Okay,
That's it, that's the last.
that's it. All right, guys, that's a wrap.